Eyewitness News at noon continues now with severe weather alert team coverage. Let's bring in WPRI.com reporter Ted Nesi, who is in the Storm Impact Center following developments across the region. Hello, Ted.
Hi, Patrick. We're taking all this information in as it comes in here in the newsroom and here in the Impact Center. Let's start with transportation and specifically TF Green Airport down in Warwick, where travelers are down there keeping a close eye on those monitors. We're watching cancellations and delays starting to come in. Most flights still at least scheduled to take off on time right now, but over here on our WPRI.com flight tracker, which you can find on the right side of our homepage, we're starting to see cancellations and delays out of Newark, Cleveland, Chicago, Florida. It's a little slow to load here with so many people online. And we're expecting to see more of that in the hours to come. We also are hearing from both TF Green and Logan Airport that people should check with their own airlines before they leave to find out if it's still running on time. We're also monitoring a press conference in Massachusetts with Massachusetts Governor Deval Patrick, who's just announced state employees in Massachusetts will be released from work at 3 p.m. That's according to the governor of Massachusetts, with, of course, eastern Massachusetts expecting to get walloped. As for school districts here, we're also watching here on our Pinpoint Closing Network, which you can also get here on WPRI.com. Most schools you can see canceling PM afternoon activities, only early dismissal in a few places, Burrillville and East Greenwich. As for all the students and parents watching and wondering about Friday's school, most places seem to be taking a wait-and-see attitude on Friday. We're only seeing school canceled so far on Friday in Portsmouth and Warwick and a few other places. We're obviously continuing to get that information updated throughout the day, not just about schools, but also about businesses and other organizations and parking bans. So you can get all that on WPRI.com throughout the day, and we'll also be streaming our newscasts. So if your electricity goes out, but your iPad is still charged, you can still watch us online. Back to you, Patrick.